Hear me, I said, man, I kill Marvelous, I represent for plums out. I'm like when a girl them put on them clothes and them comes out. So here what one is an online store, so you can get everything for women and more.
Hey ladies! Yeah, you don't know say a double X aka Flex amount of TOK and me I say yo ladies, but you need to follow and shop at plums_out for the trendiest pieces this summer. You see me I say? And them affordable, so you need to check them out, you see it?
Here I go to people from City Face and University, you know, Shokobus I represent. Here I go now. I like the girl in the junk clothes, you know. I like the girl in the old brook. I like the girl in the puppy, you know. See? Hey, check out about story, Plums Out. See? By Goody Plum. Here I go on the good clothes and see? Here I go on, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Reasonable price. Because some of the girl come like, now we're nothing good until you no man buy something good enough. See? Reasonable price, people. Check them out on Instagram. See? Plums Out. Goody Plum. Shokobus I represent.
Elizabeth Arden, your perfume of choice. You should probably change it. Simone! Now make me have to do this. You know how much charges me can lay against you? Trespassing, breaking, we can charge you for thief too. What are you doing now, Simone?
I come to talk to you.
Okay, so where would you like to go? And what would you like to eat? Okay, never mind. I know of somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Bye. You're not a bad boy.
Me did tell them say, if you screen the call them before me chat to some of them crosses here, you know.
So how you make that money dry out?
You know your father. Eh? And although me is a spiritual healer, feel me out no join lodge, no join church, disrespect me,
Alright, me get your point.
Oh.
But daddy, what really happened?
No one of them Indian reader man call me show, I come tell me say, me is a fake. Denise, you can imagine? The man say me is a fake. And talk about say, had them had the real spiritual healers, and me a hobby man. Me is a hobby man. All we do a funny name. Same name, what? Punjab, ramen chicken noodle, something like so. Me not even remember him name.
I'm afraid to ask him what you did say to him.
Me tell him say me is a 2 for 1.
2 for 1?
Yes. 2 for 1. A 2 of them make one away. A coolie. And coolie babu shit for
Shepherd! You don't have to give me all the details.
Denise? I said Denise? I did a go deep up under him nastiness.
So what them do? Take a show off at the station?
Take over show off a station. Finish show are the #1 show. Them say broadcasting commission right them, so them a try sort out something, so me fi stay 1 week. But member say, broadcasting station, I fi tell them say, I'm good to go.
I see. But you have to be careful, Daddy. You can't make them dry you out, so.
Well, them need to tell the people them fi stop provoke me. You know your father. Me no walk and travel people. So you not gonna work today?
May I go in late? Somebody want to talk to you.
You get division them again.
Yes, Daddy. And you tell the ancestors them to send the vision them to me? Come, I can't manage this.
My dear little girl, I know that sometimes it might feel pressuring and abnormal, but it's a gift. So, you don't need to worry about it. You can get a good smoke out of this. Drink, drink, drink.
You don't want to gift ya, because it feel like a curse.
Top chat fort! Little girl, this gift of foresight will help others to shake up them folly ground and change them life. Especially your combo of them.
But Daddy, me see things with Chappie when me don't want to see.
Me I see them too. Spider-Man is swinging into dangerous territories.
But me and him not together again. So why me I see things will involve him?
Because there is a connection. You still care about him. This is a cross that you will have to bear. Maybe it's the last vision you're going to get. Maybe not. But Denise Ferguson, anyhow you get vision, tell the people them. Because you will not live with yourself. If you get the vision and don't say nothing to them, and something go happen to them.
Alright, Daddy. Never just do this.
Denise! I'm seeing trouble on the horizon. Who name Prendergast?
My boss.
That short Toko woman. You're going to have problems with her. Prepare yourself. And you will also have to be running to the rescue of Spider-Man. And Denise! I'm seeing something else.
But you see, Daddy?
Mildred don't cook.
You know me come go work. If I come for the people big face. So,
Mildred! I'm coming.
Simone, if you even look at me the wrong way, you're going to end up in the same place that your ex-husband / baby father ended up. There will be no immediate parent to raise your child. Come to think of it, I could assume my uncle's duties and raise him for you both.
Not over my dead body.
Well, that's exactly what is going to happen if you don't stop messing with me or the judicial process.
Marcus, you can't evil so against your own brother.
Listen carefully, because I'm not going to repeat myself on this. As long as Carlton in a lockup, you will not visit him. You have to wait until we sort out the hearing without interfering. or you'll be raising your child from behind bars.
So me the plan where you lay out then now.
Watch your style like that. Dog face of a one ox in my garage, you see me? So me I just go get one of the crooks link them and make them take off the license plate.
That means I just put that for the ox where you rent.
Yeah, brother. So it have a trace back to them.
So you know what Spain I got there?
No, your movement see there, man. You watch your style. If the girl there, you have to knock her too, you know.
No woman. No picnic.
Dada, big man thing. You know I said I can't take a shot at me.
Quick. It's like you never hear what I say a while ago. No woman, no picnic.
Alright, over that.
You are going, brother. I go for your car. Let's go on, you see me?
Walk around pretty.
Sheldon, where you there?
Right up on the road, I want.
Which part on the road?
Why?
We are gonna tell you, Sheldon.
So what have a question for Prinny?
So the message with another said last night, just so you know, see it.
Cha-cha. What are you doing on my phone?
Whenever in your phone, sir. Your phone put on in front of me and the message come in on the top of my seat. Yo! Cameron is the left and no more. I'm done. All of the them used to stay in a war with them dead out. But now you feel like you want some big hit man for than as them. Well, you see me? I'm not gonna stay in this because I know one fine day, my phone is gonna ring or police are gonna turn up on my yard. And tell me say you're dead. I can't say no to change my mind, you know. I'm done. Please don't call or message me back.
Yeah, quick!
Yeah!
Oh no!
Yeah, hello? You get the letter yet? Listen, you need to put some urgency to it because you look like it might get worse.
Yo, brother. Park at the corner and make sure the back door left up. See? Oh. chat to you.
Hello, is this Sheldon?
Who is it?
I'm calling from KPH. I dialed the last number in Princess phone. It came up at Sheldon Bay.
So what, right now?
She has been in an accident.
What?
Please come to the hospital ASAP.
Put foot of Venus.
Mike, may I beg you, please leave the recruiting process to me.
Oh, it did seem like a good choice at the time.
Me did tell you same seem too erratic, you know. Him for be a uniform security with a button, not a sleeper.
The report is that the man punch him and him pop off him gun.
Okay, so him defend himself and him shot the man. Him take it a step further and I run through the street of fire like him in a western movie.
And look how the street full of civilians.
Him done, you know. You just know say FLA come for the gun there and investigate the situation there.
Well, I gonna make sure say him know say him not to make anybody know say him affiliated with On Guard Security.
I need to have a meeting with all of the sleeper them. And make them know say if them never have on a disguise, them need to have on a mask.
Alright, so that mean if them discharge them weapon, nobody will see them face then.
Exactly. Talman save a woman from a robbery and him never have on a mask. See it, yeah?
Now is not a good time to talk in. I'm currently at a Jamaica 60th celebration and the background is very, very, very noisy.
It's never a good time for you, Minister. Since the commencement of our business arrangement, you have never honored your side of the deal in a timely fashion. Why is that?
Alright, I will have my wife give you a call and...
Minister, listen me carefully. I am in business with you. I am in a partnership with you, not the government, and certainly not your wife. The deal is a percentage of the profit should reach my account at the end of every month. And every month may have to be calling you.
Alright. I'll make sure and I promise that this scheme will never happen again. I promise you that. Alright?
Promise from a politician? That is literally the only thing you guys consistent at. You're right about one thing. We won't be having this conversation again. Brother, just make my money reach my account on time every month. You hear that?
I threaten this like a low level thug. Don't threaten me. I forgot to teach him a lesson.
I mean, so I forgot to tell tall man, make him know say him have to lay low for a while.
Listen, the container job, camouflage not got able to do it. Shadow alone. So I forgot to talk to him.
Yeah, but Shadow in a deep sleep, watch out for an apartment.
I go pull him off fight. Because he's the only competent sleeper when I trust, so can pull off that job.
So, in a nutshell, Rhythm FM celebrates the heartbeat of Jamaican culture, which is 100% reggae, accompanied by news and information.
Okay, so you're the owner and the chief marketing personnel.
I am the owner, but I have a vibrant marketing department.
But you said your brand so well. I mean, I've got to start this Rhythm FM now.
You should. It's the best.
Well, I didn't expect you to say anything else. It's your brand.
And I stand by it.
I like it.
You do?
Yes, I do.
How much?
A lot, actually.
So, are you going to allow me to pay you back?
Ah, man, I told you it's cool.
Huh? $18,000 to just give away like that?
Actually, I didn't give it away.
Then what did you do then?
Well, I helped a very attractive person who needed it at the moment. And it got me a lunch date.
Interesting.
Alright, so if we take Shadow off of that, we can make books of the date.
Alright. Because no action much not going up that side there. Them pretty much look safe. So we can do that. Hi. Come drop me down at the office.
Sorry. Where were we?
We're supposed to go on a lunch date.
So, shall we?
Vice milk? Miss Ferguson!
Good morning, Miss Ferguson.
Good morning. First of all, shut your face. Where have you been all morning?
I sent you a message to tell you that I was coming in late.
You sent me a message? I have not looked at my phone all morning. You know why? Because I've been doing your report that you should have done all morning, waiting on you while you're gallivanting coming in here.
Report?
Yes, a presentation. A presentation?
That presentation?
What do you mean by what presentation? What presentation? The presentation that you were supposed to do about the community that we visited recently. I told you.
I wasn't aware that I was supposed to do that presentation.
I told you, Miss Ferguson, that you're doing the presentation for the directors today.
I don't remember of that.
You don't remember? So what? Are you calling me a liar?
I didn't say that. I said I don't remember.
You know, you had me leave a very important report that I was doing to sit and do your work for you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. It must have slipped.
You know, Miss Ferguson, you're making me regret giving you this promotion, you know, because recently all you have been doing is slacking off. Slacking off? Regret giving me the promotion? All you do is give orders, boss around people, and make them do your work, and then you take all the credit fees. Me got Germany go do the work. Me go in the community and do the work, and then when we make the presentation, you just a chat, and would not shut up. So yes, you should have done it this morning by yourself. So what are you trying to say? That you are doing all the work and I am taking all the credit? Yes, and that me say. Miss Ferguson, you see, I gave you this promotion because I saw that you were a ghetto girl, a vulgar one at that, and I took you, I polished you, I scrubbed you down. And this is the thanks I get? This is what ungrateful looks like? Ungrateful? Yes, ungrateful. Can you imagine? I took a chance on you, Miss Ferguson. Come on now. Give me some more work. Give me some more.
I appreciate say you didn't employ me because me never did look with corporate type, but me did have my qualification. I'ma do the work, and that's why you promote me. So no pressure me. Still,
Miss Ferguson, don't walk away from me. As a matter of fact, you're suspended for 1 week.
I hope you can do the work yourself. Fine.
Oh, why Melita?
You bravey?
Why you say that?
You know Miss Good in here still a come.
Sit up in me. That's my money at the bar.
Here you talk like you buy top shelf liquor.
Every dollar count.
Well, that's true.
So me a call Dragon then. So
Her Pink, me not doing a year today.
It's good for see you still a come here even though Goody mother gone.
Me I don't support Goody Bar now.
If you say so.
She not there.
No, she not there. But from the other day, Miss Goody looks stressed. Like a lot upon her mind.
I wonder if I me cause that.
Me not think so.
Oh, cause she would have stressed more because I not leave her mother.
Styles, let me ask you something. You really serious about Goody mother?
If me never see her, money engaged to her.
Yo, what?
I like it. That's why I put a ring on it.
Excuse me, sir?
You know, so me I cut at the end of the month, you know.
Shall I send for you?
Style can't spoil.
I hear you, Mr. Styles.
Morning. Oh, that great father self. What's up, Melita?
What's up, Melita? I mean, alright.
Wait there. Melita, you're confused.
Melita, we want one cool Malta. Action! What do you want for drink?
Room temperature water, my good.
Melita, hey.
Yes, what I say?
You know what I'm saying? We want a cool Malta.
Oh, okay.
And action, give him something to drink.
Room temperature water, my good.
Water?
Yeah, man. Nothing strong till my done voice.
Okay. Something strong will be waiting for you when you finish here.
Brother, you a businessman or what?
Pink, what go on?
Brother, not try play it off. You know what Miss call?
The phone is up and vibrate.
Pinky? Are you named Pinky?
Yeah, our.
You know Pink Boss?
What you talk about? I'm Mrs. Pink Boss this.
Brother, don't do the foolishness. You're not answer my call.
Excuse me there. I soon come back.
Who she? She know Pink Boss? I'm so busy, man. If I answer the phone, I'll make more while I go on.
Melita.
Who name so?
Styles.
She alright? I'm quite alright. You alright?
Yeah. Hold on the action, stop. See? I want it up. Bam, 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 bam. And attack it some more, right? With a flow. Yo, you know your vocal wicked already. You understand? But what I want from you is that you hold it back at times. So then you attack it. So we have that like a floor, that string floor there.
Well,
you understand?
makes sense.
So we want it, my brother.
Makes sense.
Alright.
My good be.
Me good to be.
Styles, come to me here, yeah? Because she look for me and she
Yes, Styles. Want to do our ear because it well want do.
my girl. You know me or something?
Me not know you, but me hear about you.
What you hear about me, my girl?
Me hear say I'm a man, ex-woman.
Pinky, come. That's what I'm Melita. Come.
Melita? You know, yes, in a Melita na there. Me a plumb me with a sexy tummy. What a thick boss.
Come here.
Says let me go, I'ma fix that girl on the man. Let her go stairs, I'm going to bust up her face.
Hey, I want going out here.
Melita.
Action, it is still there.
Yeah, that crack set up.
What?
Nothing too tough. Mostly quiet.
I need to move you from the spot here now.
Might call me and tell me a thing about container.
Yeah. I want you and camouflage to deal with it for me, but in my guard I don't if you're weak.
So tell me about that container thing, Anna.
Well, them want 2 sleeper for watch.
Deep sleep.
I don't know yet. I forgot to scout the place.
So if they move to, what to do? Defend or defuse?
Defuse. You can't give away your cover so easy.
Overstand.
Yeah, what you do? Clean up yourself. Link me tomorrow. I will go pre the place.
Alright, boss. Same time then.
Shadow. What about the boss thing?
So I'm going to call you supervisor.
Tomorrow.
Alright, supervisor.
Ready to go on the road here? If I don't come back by the time I'm ready to leave, you know, put the key.
Yes, Miss Goody. Oh, remember me tell him I'm not coming in early tomorrow.
You ready? I'm gonna come see you now.
Wagwan someone? Yo, say I say, have a kid?
Yeah, but I don't care problem.
So why problem now?
Brother, if you up in that about 6 hours you going to take.
Yo, shop boss. Sure we can open that, brother. Watch you know? We just go look piece about somewhere about place, brother. I'll just price it. I'm going like that now. What you talk about?
Alright. Forward.
Yo, genocide. Forward.
Brother, not do that, yeah. Ease yourself, brother.
What? Who are they?
Yo, boy, there, you know.
Just one?
One, me see. But you know, say I'm more than that there.
No, say no one.
Simone, if you blind me, you're blind enough.
What are we doing? You come back from prison, man?
Look how the youth fear for me. Nobody never fear for me, so yet.
What? Come here, baby. That's something I have to do, you know. Watch out. You take seat?
Simone, I'm going to ask you something. You remember what happened the week before you get taken away?
No, I don't remember.
We sleep together and we never use no protection.
Damien, the baby is not yours. You forget, say, when me get take away, one you lock down, and they are right through. Sasik. You need to just accept the fact that move on.
Sasik? Oh, Sasik dropping at this. A Sasik breed for me? A Sasik have a youth for me? I ain't talk about move on. Move on with who? Carlton Wallace?
I must prank this. I must prank you, prank me. Virgin, I have something important for you. I don't have the time for this. Because you have to mad. You must mad, Damien.
Alright. You move on. Well, me, just there to take care of my responsibilities.
What kind of responsibilities?
My youth!
You don't have the responsibility as some of youth. You sick? Something wrong with you?
And a two things me I gotta tell you now. One thing me I tell you. Me I gotta need a DNA.
A what? God. What? Yeah, you hear this? Damien, DNA for what?
God, you hear this? Me need a test to know if the youth are not my own. Cause two people can't favor so. Not even me favor me so.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, man. Me I leave out now. Me just get caught up. Alright, yeah. Damien, I have to leave now.
I don't know where I'm going now.
I not leave here at my house with my baby because you behave like a madman. You need to leave because I have something to do. Come now.
Alright. The madman I'm gonna leave. You see, you know what I mean, no? Alright, here what, I'm gonna need some answers, yeah? And I'm gonna forward back for that. See me? I want you to give me.
Shadow, what's up? get the letter?
You know he's a stubborn woman. You know, you hear me say a nasty man.
You want me to have to see him today?
So a badness you go. Let me see him bad that.
The name is Grant. Dr. Maxine Grant. Head doctor at Drew Medical. This is a letter from the Chief Medical Officer granting me permission to see Mr. Carlton Wallace. Now information has reached us that he's sick and not being treated. I'm going to ask that you allow me to see him, or else your job will be at stake, and the relevant authorities will come in to do their investigations. So I suggest you allow me to go and see Mr. Carlton Wallace. Now.
All right, doctor. All right.
Get me an ambulance. Now! Carlton, stay awake. Carlton, just stay awake, alright? Stay awake. Stay awake.
What do you mean I'm taking? Oh, Dr. Grant? And you allow that? Warren, the woman work at one clinic. She not have no permission to take any prisoner at all. Yo, brother, let me tell you something. You better start looking for a job. Because your days as a warder is over. You understand what I say? Over! Look here. Them a carry Carlton and go to hospital. That bitch Maxine Grant, man. Me know I should get rid of her, no master. Look here. If him reach at the hospital, that will open a can of worms. I need you. I need you to get to the ambulance and find out which one them dispatch the Mango Ranch and forward to it as quickly as you can and get back to me. Yes. We can't make this go road, brother. Too much at stake.
Carlton, no. Carlton, no. Chappie. Chappie.
Talk to me. What?
What do you mean an escape? Look here. This can't go so. You need to get some of your boys on the squad in here right now. You have to find him. You have to find him now.
We can't afford for this to go any further. Look here to me, man. Look here, brother. Look here. But, no excuses, man.
Get to it now, Smith. Get to it. No. Search every house, every bush, church, hospital, convent them. Have to find him. Have to find him.
Water Warren.
Tonight.